Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about Invideo, that how you can make faceless videos on Invideo just by some simple clicks. So let's get started without wasting any time. You can access this interface by just clicking the link in my description box. I'm going to drop the link for this software in my description box and you can easily access it for free from there. You just have to click the link and then you will land over here on this site. After that, what you're gonna do is that you have to sign up if you don't already have an account, and if you already do, then just simply log in. I'll be back once I sign up. You can see that they are saying sign up, it's free. I'll just be back. Now that I have created my account, I have to just answer a few questions and then I can get started with my video making, with my faceless video making. No matter whatever you choose, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to click this student and I'm going to click continue, and then you have to just name your team, and I'm going to just name it my team, and then you can just skip this for now. I'm going to just skip it for now, and then I'm going to just click any random option and then I'm going to click continue again, and then you can see there's this option. I'm going to just choose any one and then I'm going to click continue, and there's just repeating the process, and I'm going to click continue, and then you can see this interface has opened. Now you can see this is my dashboard. Here I have this example of templates, AI to text to video, stock media, editor, and this is where I'm going to create my first video. And you can see over here you have this button of create new, and you have these all options again, see. And let's get started with making our faceless videos. I'm going to give you the full tutorial. You have to follow me step by step, and please do not skip the video and watch it till the end. Let's get started without wasting any time. Now we want to make some faceless videos. For that we are going to click this option AI text to video. Also, these are the options where you have your trash, the projects that you have deleted, and here you will find the projects that you have already made and lost, like you don't know where are they and you want to find them. They will be right over here on your dashboard. You have to go to my projects and here you will find them. And also, if you have made a team that I just skipped and showed you before, you can make that team over here and you can see your team members. So let's get started with the video. You can see there's this AI text to video. I'm going to just click this plus button, and then you can see that they bring me to this interface. Here you can see that I can convert my script. Here you can see that I can convert my script into engaging videos if I want, and they have also given me some suggested templates, if you can see, and I can also choose between these templates. If I scroll down, you can see there are these templates and there are many of them, you never ending templates that I can choose from. Okay, so then again you have some options. You have these templates that I'm just showing you over here, and then you have this AI to text video that we are going to use, this stock media editor, and some of your more options. And these are the aspect ratios that you want to choose to work with. I'm going to go with the landscape one. You can go with the square or portrait. You just have to click these options, and you can see the templates have just changed. The suggested templates have just changed. These are the suggested templates. If you want to search for any specific template, you just have to go to this option and then you can search for the template. I'm going to show you how. So you can see if I click this templates button, then you can see there's this search bar that appears, and I'm going to search for any of the template that I want. Right now I'm going to and then you can see there are these filters and type, like if I want to select any aspect ratio and then what type of it, and I can add filters so the specific template appears for me. And then the industry, you can see how wide range of options they have given you of filters, so you can also choose from these. Right now I'm going to just click this AI text to video and show you how this option works. So let's just choose a random template to work with. I'm going to choose this one because I like this one, and then you can see this page opens over here, and then they show you a preview of the template that you are going to use, and if you like it you can just click use template, and if you don't you can just go back to search and use another different template. I'm going to choose use template. You can set the aspect ratio over here again. I'm going to go with landscape, and if you want to make short videos you can click portrait. Let's just go with portrait and make some short YouTube videos. Now I'm going to click use template. You can see how the aspect ratio of my video has changed. Now I'm going to click use template and continue with the process. So now after that you can see it brings me to this option where I have this script bar of mine. I can either ask AI to write my script if I want, and I can just tell AI that what type of script I want. I have to describe the script that I want to generate. For example, if I write a script about, what should I write? Write a script about uh, cat, a pet cat. Write a script about a pet cat, and let's click generate. You can also write a script of your own. If you have one, you can just copy and paste it in this script box, or you can also use chat gpt for it, and you can produce a script on chat gpt and then you have to paste it over here. Now this is already rearranged because it is generated by Invideo by itself, but if you paste it from chat gpt or a script of your own, it's going to ask you to rearrange it, or it will also give you an option of rearranging by itself for you. It just doesn't let more than one sentence in one scene. So this is what it has generated for me. You can see it has written a script for me for my short video. And then you can also add your URL over here in this box, right, to write a script or whatever. And then you just have these options of auto suggest images and free, iStock, premium. You can see this iStock and premium are some upgraded version options. Right now we can just use this free one. This auto suggests images and videos, but not from iStock and premium. So after you are done with the script, you just have to click create scenes. After you click create scenes, you can see there's this option of setting up your project, and it's going to load. You have to be patient with this step, and it will be generating your scenes. You can see I have some 20 scenes, and it is generating my 20 scenes, and then it is generating some thumbnails. So it will take time, and then they are going to open your project. You just have to be patient with this step, and then your video will be ready. I'll be back after mine is ready. So here you can see that my video is ready, and it is of 2 minutes and 15 seconds. You can see how it has broken down my scenes, and I had 20 scenes, as I told you earlier, and it has broken every scene into a different compartment. Now you have this option of storyboard, editor, and collaborate. You can also play this. You can just telling you that you can also add a voiceover if you want to. You can click over here on add voiceover, and then you can see there's this option of automated text to speech. You can just add some text and it will be changed into speech. You can import from your uploads that you have uploaded over here. To upload media, you have to just drag and drop your media over here, or you can just click this box and upload from your library or computer or gallery, whatever you are using. And also you can just upload your voiceover just by clicking this option, and you can record your own voice if you want to by clicking this option. Right now I don't want to add a voiceover, so I'm going to go back. So after that you can see that you have this option of editing background music. You can edit your background music just by clicking this option. You can add any background music that you want to add to your short video, that faceless video of yours. And then you have these options of uploading. If you want to upload anything to this specific video of yours, you can also choose this video or images or music or text and logo elements and templates option. You can change the template if you want over here, and you can can add elements, logos, text, music, and everything that you want to. Right now I'm going to show you what if you want to add a video to this. You can see that if I want to add a video, I click this video option and search for the type of video. You will get lots of stock videos over here from iStock and others, but you can see there's this option of remove a watermark. You have to get these stock videos with watermark. You can see the ones with crowns, these are going to be with watermark. So if you want to remove the watermark, you just have to click over here and upgrade if you want to, and then you can remove the watermark. So let's search for a video that we want. For example, I want a raining video, rain. I'm going to just enter rain, search for rain, and then you can see how many of rain videos have appeared on my screen, and I can choose any of them that I want. For example, if I want to add this one, I'm just going to click plus, and then you can see there's this watermark over here, and if I want to remove this watermark, I have to upgrade. So I'm just going to cross this one and find a one that does not have any watermark. You can see this doesn't show that crown sign. I'm just going to click plus over here, and now you can see that it is loading. I'll be back once it's loaded. So here you can see that this video has been loaded. If I want to play, so what does this play trimmed section only mean? That if I want to trim this video, I have this trimmer box. I can trim my video as much as I want, and then I have to just click check this box and ask them to play the trimmed section only, the one that I have trimmed already. And if I want to add more sections, I'm just going to click this plus sign. I'm just going to click this plus sign and add more sections. After that, you just have to click this add button. You can also reset your video or trim your video to fit scene. So I don't want to add this video, I was just showing you how to. So I'm just going to cross this option, add images to your video. You are just going to click this images option, and then you can see you have all of these options of iStock images. And if you want to search for a specific picture, you can just search for a specific picture but just by clicking the search box and writing. For example, I'm going to write cat, and you will see that some cat pictures will be just visible to me. Now I'm going to choose a picture. I'm going to choose this picture or this one. I just like all of these. I just love cats so much. I like all these pictures, but I'm going to choose this specific picture for my video. I'm going to click the plus sign, and you can see how it has added the media to my video, media layer 2. And if I want to delete it, you can see there's this button of delete. If you can clearly see it, I'll try to zoom it for you. So I'll try to zoom it for you. Now you can see there's this delete button right here. You can click this button if you want to delete the media second layer, and that's it. So I'm going to just delete this picture that I just put into my video. And you can also add music if you want right from here, or you can choose one music out of these. You have these options of different genres that you can choose from, and then you can also add text if you want to add to your video, and also you can add a logo if you want to. For that, you can just drag and drop your logo over here, and then you can see there's this plus option where you can put your logo to, and you can also add these elements to your video. You can see there are these stickers, shapes, overlays, masks, and many more things that you can use. Now getting back to our script, you can see that it has been broken down into scenes. If you want to like duplicate the scene, you can just click this duplicate button, and if you want to place cursor between text to split, you can choose this button, and if you want to remove a scene from your video, you can just delete it by clicking this. So don't worry if you don't like anything in your script to not to be in your video, you can just remove it by clicking this remove button. And after that, if you want to share this video with your friends also, you can just undo by clicking these options, and if you want to redo something, you can click these redo options. Here you can see that some options have popped up. This is the crop option. I can crop my video, I can fit type my video, I can adjust colors, I can remove background, I can flip my video. Also I can add some effects to my video, and I can position my video, and I can add animations to my video. Here you can see there's this button of edit scene. I can edit my scene over here, and you can see there's this option of share. If I want to share my video, right now I just want to redo the delete thing that I had done, and then you have this option of sharing your video. You can share this video by clicking this share button, and you can see there's this that I'm the admin, and I can share it with my team. I can or also I can just copy the invite link and send it to my friends and family or whosoever I want to. And over here I can just show that I'm the admin, and I can remove team members and change permissions, access all uploads, and edit projects that are created by my team. And right now I don't have a team, so I'm just going to cross it. Now talking about exporting the video, if you want to export the video, you have to upgrade. So these are the video qualities that are available for downloading. You can see if I choose 720 or 1080p, doesn't matter, you just have to upgrade to avail these two options. Whatever option you choose, you have to upgrade to a better version to be able to export your video. Right now on an unpaid option, you can just share this video. Now let's see what are the pricings of these upgradings. I'll just click this upgrade to export, and now you can see that we have two options. One is monthly and the other is yearly. In yearly, you can save up to 50%. That's a deal that is running right now, and you can just pay $15 per month, and these are the perks that you will get on paying $15 per month, and these are the perks that you will get on paying $30 per month. It's an unlimited one, and this one's the business one, and you can save up to 50% right now if you choose any of these. For example, this will cost you near to 7.5 or around to that, and this one will just cost you around somewhere between 15, and you can go to these monthlies one and you can choose any of these options, and then you can just export your video. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you very much.